If you've been using Notion and you're starting to feel like it's not meeting all your needs, here are some alternatives for Notion. Is best for people who need powerful formulas and databases. It's like a supercharged spreadsheet and document app rolled into one. If you love organizing your work with structured data and want to use advanced formulas, Coda is perfect for you. You can create documents that are much more interactive and dynamic than standard notes. The form view lets you collect data easily, and Coda's AI can help you generate content and summaries, making it a powerful tool for any project. Coda is available on the web and iOS, but not on Android or desktop. Mem is best if you want AI to help you organize your notes. This app uses artificial intelligence to automatically tag and organize your content. It's really helpful if you have a lot of notes and find it hard to keep them organized. Mem integrates with your Google Calendar and email, so you can see all your events and conversations in one place. Plus, you can add notes by sending emails, text messages, or even using WhatsApp. It's a smart way to keep everything in order without much effort. Is best for people who are already using Microsoft 365. It integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft apps like Teams, Outlook, and Word. You can create documents with dynamic content blocks that update in real time across all your Microsoft 365 apps. This makes collaboration super easy and efficient. If you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem, Loop can be a great addition to your productivity toolkit. Is best if you need strong collaboration and knowledge management features. This app uses AI to help you find information quickly and keep your workspace organized. The Ask button can generate answers to your questions on the spot, which is super handy. You can also request feedback and approvals on documents, making it easy to collaborate with your team. Slite is great for teams that need to manage a lot of information and keep everything up to date. Slite doesn't have a mobile app yet, and it's only available on the web and desktop. It's best for people who value privacy and security. This app keeps all your data encrypted and stored locally on your device. You can link your documents and notes in a very flexible way, creating a web of interconnected information. AnyType also works offline, so you can keep working even without an internet connection. If you want full control over your data and a powerful way to organize it, AnyType is a solid choice. Best for mind mapping and visual organization. It's like combining Notion with a mind mapping tool. You create cards on a canvas and connect them to show relationships between ideas. This visual approach is great for brainstorming and organizing complex information. Scrintal lets you move cards around, add new ones quickly, and creates hierarchies to keep everything clear. It's perfect if you think in diagrams and need a more visual way to manage your projects. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to our channel for more such amazing app recommendations.